What's up, YouTube? Today I thought I'd vlog because I'm going to Jerome's house. Apparently he built a zoo, so I'm quite interested to see what there is over there. Because when he showed me on video chat, it looked quite amazing. So we'll check it out. Now before we go there, I'm gonna buy some shawarma. Some shawarma. Okay, hopefully they don't know that I'll film. I'll try to keep it discreet. Try mo. Did she just sanitize the money? What the?
Sasabayin mo lang ang kulay siya. Sir, okay na po. Yung Pepsi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, yung nakatali o limit yung white. Pero...
Okay, I bought the shawarma. Kind of felt embarrassing holding my phone and filming everything with people looking at me. But I guess I got, you know, it's just a matter of getting used to, I guess. Okay, here I am. We're gonna check out the zoo.
Hindi naman ako expert yan.
Yes, you are an expert. Oh, holy hell.
Ang goldfish na talaga.
Oh, explain.
Ano explain? Ang goldfish yan. Ang goldfish din yan.
Paki-explain nga. Oh, goldfish.
Community tank yan. Halo-halo. May angelfish here. Goldfish. Rainbow shark. Tapos iba di ko alam ang tawag yun.
Cool. So what are these guys up here?
Yan. Oscar yan. Pero ibang strain. Long bill siya pansin mo. Mama yung mga ano yan.
Whoa.
Mas rare siya. Hindi siya common. Tsaka takot siya sa ilaw eh. Kaya hindi tatabi siya naman.
My God, there's a whole filter system too. Okay, let's go to the other.
Voice over mo na lang.
No! If I voice over it, it's not gonna be authentic. What are these guys?
Oscar pa rin eh.
Okay.
Ito yung common. Common Oscar, Tiger Oscar. Ito long veil rin to.
Whoa.
Ito, common rin. Ito long veil, albino long veil.
Albino. Oh, there's a cat here. Hello.
What's it? What's it?
Okay. What's down here?
Parrot.
Parrot.
Parrot, convict parrot. Kami yung mga baby sila. Paired na sila, so hindi mo na pwede ihalo sa iba yan.
I see.
Yaman sila ganyan. Ito, namatay yung asawa niya. So, single parent. 1 week apart sila yung eggs.
Oh, and the babies. Okay. Single parent.
Single parent yan.
Rockabye baby. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. And then there's another one here.
Yan, puro sick leave.
What? Sick leave? What?
Parang isang ano yan eh. Ano ba tawag doon? Basta isang kind of fish. Sick leave. Pag mga aggressive yan, kaya ganun pa kulit yan eh. Kaya mo,
Sick leave. I don't.
maglagay ka ng goldfish yan, patay yun. Automatic.
Oh, they eat fish.
Kahit anong na hindi aggressive.
Interesting. Whoa, this guy's cool.
Yan.
Whoa.
Janitor fish yan. Common lang yan.
Whoa. Look at those lips. Whoa.
Kaya malaki. Hindi ito masyadong common. Kasi ito, ilang inches to? 4? 5 inches?
Uh-huh.
Usually, sa 3 inches lang siya.
Whoa. Interesting. Cool.
Ilang years na kasi.
Okay. And I think these are common, di ba?
Yeah, carp tsaka butterfly koi.
Carp and butterfly koi.
Tsaka mga feeders. Papapakain natin
Oh, the
mga isang
feeders. Ah. Interesting. So there's more here.
Ito iniwalay ko sila kasi aggressive sobrang ito.
Oh, he looks angry too.
Okay. So aggressive yan. Kaya may nahiwalay yan kasi nambugbog siya. Nakapatay na nga ng isa yan eh.
Oh, this is a. Oh, there's a divider here. Okay. Whoa.
Tapos ito, guppies.
What's down here?
Mga guppies yan. Different kinds. Iba-ibang strain. 4 strains to eh.
Iba-ibang strain.
Sa dulo, sick tank yan. Yung mga sick. Di mo, tabing kato, no? Yung boy pa yan.
Oh, okay. Whoa.
Mga goldfish na sick.
Okay.
Different kinds of strains yan. Kita mo yung tails nila ibang klase.
Mm-mm. Interesting.
Guppies rin sa dulo, pero hindi ko na hinalo. Ay, hinalo ko na pala. Hindi ko na hiniwalay.
I see. Okay.
Sa foam. Ayun sa foam. Popo. Remember your Persian friend?
Pommy. Hello. Hello. Pommy. Pommy. You're such a mother na.
Si rabbit yung wala.
Huh?
Rabbit na dito.
There's a rabbit too? Oh my god. Okay, let's check out the rabbit. Oh, hello. Wow, there's huge rabbits, huh?
Buntis tong dalawa eh. Kaya nakahiwalay na sila. Para pag mga anak.
Hello, rabbits. Whoa. Do they bite?
Sa akin hindi.
Oh, this dog is so... Ay! Be quiet, be quiet. Nanay!
Ito mga males. Mga male.
Hello. Interesting. Why do you have the rabbits anyway? Gusto mo lang. Hello. Rabbit. Okay. Oh, before we look at other animals, let's feed these guys. Okay. Whoa. Whoa.
Lana, sa mga.
Whoa. That was so cool.
Lana.
Predators.
Mga glitters ay natitira sa kanila.
And now they're calm.
Maghahanap ulit yan. Dalawa yan para ma-contento.
Okay. That was so cool.
Patay sa pa-part na ba?
What do you call this one?
Alligator gar.
Alligator gar. Whoa. Oh my god. Chase that fish.
Video pa.
Oh, you want to show your body, huh? You want to show your body? Wow.
I think
So
it's 10,
cool.
10 to 12 inches na yan.
Oh, it's 12 inches. Interesting. Okay. That's pretty cool.
No.
Hello, stray cats.
Sobrang good with.
Hello, stray
Yeah,
cats.
black ikaw rin.
Meow meow. Meow meow. Okay, now we went upstairs and we're gonna see what else there is here. Oh. Okay.
Yan, mga birds.
We have birds here.
Mga parakeet.
Which one?
Dagat. Parakeet yan.
Parakeet. Do they talk?
Nope.
No?
Oh, wala. Landian na ginagawa nila. Lovebirds. Parakeet.
Oh. Hello. Hello. Interesting. Okay.
Ito, lonely. Kakalipad lang ng isang kasama. Hiniwan siya. Yan nag-aarap ng kaperian ngayon.
Oh.
Kahapon lang yata. I think. Hindi kahapon kanina. Turtle ko dito.
You have turtles too? What's going on here?
Ayan. Flats lang.
Oh. Hello, turtles. Hello. This guy's looking at me. Hello.
Sabihan pet yan, pero masakit sa kamay. Love sila.
I'm not gonna hold. Hello. Damn. Ay, hello, hello. Okay.
Dito guppies, beta fish. Beta fish.
Okay, there's more here. What is this?
Beta fish.
Beta fish.
Tanggalin mo ito
It
para
looks really nice.
mag-flare sila. Kasi kung nakita sila kasama, ibang ano, lahi, ibang beta rin, aaway sila.
Oh, ganon. Looks nice, ah.
Ganda na yan.
Fire red. Okay, what are these guys? Same thing?
Oo, para yan, lahat yung beta. Kaya
Wow.
mag-isa lang sila per task eh.
Otherwise, they'll fight.
Oo.
Is this guy dead?
Hindi, tulog lang yan. Tamad yan, yan, putin yan. Tama to, itong red na red sa taas maganda.
Yeah. Yeah. His fins look really nice.
Ito parang jumbo to, hindi ko alam bakit ganun kalaki.
Okay.
Ito maganda,
My
jumbo ear.
God.
May ears yan.
You're so...
Tignan mo yan, ano yan.
Ah. Cool. Cool. This guy's tamad as well.
Ito rin.
Oh wow. Yes. Luminescent skin.
Ito. Parang si Captain America yung dating niya.
Oh, Captain America fish.
Beta fish rin yan, beta rin yan.
Oh nga no. Yeah, looks cool.
Ito rin yan. So yun, sa breeding tank sila ngayon.
Breeding tank. I see. Okay. So
Ito
cool.
lang.
Hello, cat. And we still have more.
Ito mollies. Iba-ibang klase
Mollies.
mollies. Pinaghalo-halo ko na. Ito
Okay.
yung balloon, no?
Oh.
Ano mo buntis lagi. Pero yan, ganun lang talaga sila.
Okay.
Yung balloon molly. Ito, hindi ko alam. Basta 24K molly, cheetah molly. Sa molly natin.
I see.
Ito, black molly. Pero may anak sila mga puti, no?
Wow.
Kaya hindi sila full pure na black molly. May puti-puti silang anak. Lahat sa kanila yan.
Oh.
Ito, Danios. Yan mo, luminescent yung mga kulay.
Wow. Oh yeah. It's like Mountain Dew.
Ito, female beta. Ito ginagawa ko pang breed sa kanila.
Oh.
Yung mga female hindi masyado nag-aaway-away. Nag-aaway sila pero compared sa male, patayan talaga. Ito at least sampalan lang.
Story of genders.
Ito ang offspring nila.
And here are the kids.
A month and a half yata yun.
Oh.
Kita mo? Ano lang yan? 3 pairs lang yan.
Mm.
Ganun karami offspring nila.
Wow. Very small too. Okay.
Sa mga 3 months bago pwede bitawan pet.
Woo!
Hamster sa likod.
And we got more. We have a bunch of hamsters here. Hamster?
Oo. Buntis yan eh. Kaya mag-isa.
Aww. Pregnant. I can't see anything here.
Dalawa lang sila dito sa corner.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you see that guy there?
You can open naman.
I'm scared they might jump out.
No. They can't.
Aw, cute.
Mag-ina yan eh.
Okay.
Ito, ibang klaseng hamster to. Teddy bear and Syrian.
Teddy bear Syrian. Assalamualaikum.
Ito kasi cat bear eh.
They speak Arabic. Hello. Nyan 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 nyan. Hello. Mommy, mommy, mommy.
Ito third gen na yata ito. Mga babies na ito. Ayan mo, naglalaro sila.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I see them. Aww.
Watch it!
Ay. Aww. You're so curious. Okay. Wow.
Nakita mo ba?
Where? Ah, okay.
Ganda sila kalit.
It's very hard to see, but
Oo.
I see it.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Ganda sila kalit. Sobrang liit nila. Tatlong pairs rin to.
Okay.
Pero I think mas konti ito compared mo dito.
Okay.
Ito, kaya ito nag-breed ulit ako.
Oh yeah, they're breeding. Okay. So I guess that's it. A literal zoo here. So yeah, I'll end the vlog here. Till the next video. Bye bye.